This is a shoulder packing exercise going from the supine position into a sidelying position. So we're going to start on our back. I'm using a kettlebell in this example, but you can use any type of dumbbell or any type of weight. I'm going to roll onto our side to grab that weight, then come back onto our back. We're going to push that weight straight up in the air so our arm is coming through our shoulder, the weight's coming through our shoulder. We don't want any type of sagging one way or the other. Right leg's going to be propped up. Left leg's going to be down at about a 30 to 45 degree angle, and I want your left arm just kind of resting up overhead. From here, we're going to use this right leg and use that right heel to really push you into the ground to start to rotate yourself, rotate the weight onto your side. As you do that, your shoulder really maintains in the same position. We're just rotating our body around a stable shoulder. So I'll do it. So we push through the leg, we come around. This point right here is really crucial. We don't want the weight being thrown forward. We don't want our shoulder being thrown forward. We don't want it coming up into our ear. We're going to maintain this nice packed position and a nice vertical component throughout the arm. From here, once you get onto your side, I want you to bring that right leg forward and just use it as a kickstand here. Hold that for a period of time, and then we're going to bring the right leg back and then use it to control our body coming down. So we'll do that one more time. Push through.